Welcome to the heart of a modern water buffalo dairy empire, where technology meets tradition on a grand scale. Here, automated milking systems extract premium milk with precision and care, maintaining perfect hygiene every step of the way. The milk travels through state-of-the-art pipelines, monitored by intelligent sensors that guarantee purity and quality. From fresh milk to rich cream and curd, every process is fully automated, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Fermentation is carefully controlled in these massive tanks, ensuring every batch reaches the highest standard of flavor and safety. Precision robotics mold each batch of cheese, combining efficiency with craftsmanship. Even hydration is optimized with sensor-monitored stations, ensuring healthy, happy buffalo at all times. Bottling is a fully automated spectacle, each container handled with precision and care. Every bottle carries a mark of quality, applied by advanced robotics in seconds. The finished products are stored in pristine conditions, preserving flavor and freshness. Aging is precisely controlled, allowing cheeses to develop rich textures and nuanced flavors. Rigorous lab testing ensures that every batch of milk meets exacting standards of purity and nutrition. Health tracking technology ensures each buffalo is monitored in real time, safeguarding the herd's well-being. The scale of this operation is staggering. Every process flows seamlessly under meticulous control. Feeding is precise and automated, delivering balanced nutrition to thousands of animals effortlessly. Cutting and portioning is automated, ensuring perfect consistency for each piece of cheese. Sanitation is paramount, with every delivery and tank sterilized to the highest standards. Automated cleaning drones maintain a spotless environment, leaving nothing to chance. Packaging moves at high speed, combining efficiency with rigorous quality control. Packaging moves at high speed, combining efficiency with rigorous quality control. Every product is stored in ideal conditions, preserving freshness until it reaches consumers. Distribution is fully streamlined, from factory floor to refrigerated trucks. Every batch undergoes stringent quality testing, ensuring only the best reaches the market. Every pipe and vessel is sterilized automatically, leaving the system spotless and ready for the next batch. A central command room orchestrates the entire operation, blending human expertise with automation. Automation ensures smooth movement through the aging process, with optimal conditions maintained throughout. The buffalo thrive in meticulously managed pastures, blending modern tech with natural care. Continuous monitoring guarantees that every liter of milk meets exacting standards. From production to packaging, every step is optimized for efficiency, hygiene, and quality. This is the pinnacle of modern dairy production, a perfect harmony of scale, technology, and care.